Good afternoon, everybody. I want to take a look at three stocks here real quick. VVUS, ABMD, and SOXS. We'll start with VVUS. There may be some in the room that bought it earlier. I'm not sure, but we bought it yesterday. We did a little adding to it yesterday, and we're showing a nice little, I would say, positive trading today. Hey, Gigi. Nice positive trading today. Inside yesterday's wick, but it's holding over the big three. I think this still looks like it's going to move higher. Being the rounded bottom breakout, the target direction is the 200 simple up here. But you can't avoid looking at the swing high up here. We might want to consider taking profits. If we get that nice big pop and it starts to run up into this area, we probably want to consider some profits because the likelihood of a pullback is pretty good. And then what we would be looking for is we would have a rally here, a pullback, a low, higher low, and then we would look for that move up again, maybe up into this area right here, somewhere around that 1550 area. And then it might want to do this type pattern again until we get to that 200 simple. Just always remember, take some profits on the way up because things can turn on a dime. We know that. Another one I want to look at is this SOXS. It's hard for me to say. Another one of our rounded bottom breakouts. I actually bought some of this 3 days ago, and it pulled back. I held it, and then it's moving up very nice today. In fact, let's see here. We have a let's see, what's the open? 22.29. Let's see the open here. 22.25. We actually have a little bull kicker. Now I know it's not a perfect bull kicker because we have this wick right there. But we do have a nice little bull kicker right here, and the fact that we have a gap up, open, and it just moves up without a wick, I think we owe that a little bit of we owe it to the stock to give it some interest, and right now it's acting very well. We can see how it might be starting to make that rounded bottom right here. And another one we're looking to move up to the 200. Toward the 200 anyhow. Let's see, the other one I want to look at was what? ABMD. ABMD was one of our featured trade ideas. Let's see here. Whoops. Let's go back to that. ABMD. There we go. ABMD was one of our featured trade ideas. I don't have the date right now in front of me. But you'd be up about 23-24% right now. Up higher, up at this high right here, it was a trade idea back here. It's pulled back to the 50, and we're doing very well on this right now with this gap up. I'm still going to hold it. We'll see how it acts right in here. Even on the pullback today, it was worth holding because we've got this gap, and as long as it doesn't come back down through the 50. Now I'd be looking at the T-line, maybe even the 20, depends on the type of trading you're doing, the type of trader you are. But right here it looks like we've, a nice overall rally, a very good healthy pullback, and now it looks like we're starting to move up again. Keep in mind that the likelihood of this just moving straight up is probably not the best. I don't usually look for that to happen. I usually expect some pullbacks into some sort of a trend line, and then come back up, and then pull back, and then come back up like that. So, but we still like this one here. So there's three stocks that we like: VVUS, SOXS, and ABMD. And I think they're still very buyable right now. Just remember to buy them, based on your rules, and always buy as low as possible. Try to stay away from buying too high. So I just want to point that out. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope to see everyone in the chat room.